Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul and look at what I got from Home Depot. I got some Milwaukee tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is a quick tool haul video. It's not going to be very long. I will do the unboxing in a separate video. I went to Home Depot specifically looking for these two ratchets. I will get the fuel 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchets later, as well as the extended reach ratchets. I'll get those guys probably, January or February or somewhere around there. And then I picked up this M12 cordless multi-tool, or what is also known as an oscillating tool. It is part number 2426-20. All of these are just regular Milwaukee. They're not fuel. The 1/4 inch of the M12 cordless 1/4 inch ratchet is 2456-20. And the 3/8 M12 cordless ratchet is 2457-20. I also bought some hyper tough oscillating tool accessories from Walmart, just to get the job done for now, till I can find some better ones for this tool. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick little tool haul. I will do the unboxing in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, and I'll give the specifications on all these tools in the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.